Hi, my name is Kathy. I live in Allen, Texas, and I currently teach third grade. I found the 7-day comprehensive success system, and I'm so glad I did. I was offered a teaching position in the district that I wanted to be in, at the school I wanted to be in, and even in the grade level that I really wanted. But in order for me to get the position, I had to pass my test. I had about 17 days from the date of my job offer to when the test was scheduled, so time was a big issue for me. I started downloading free materials from the web. I went to Amazon and purchased materials. I went to Half Price Books and bought things. I made note cards, and I tried to study from all of these different sources. I wouldn't do that great on the practice exam, so I was beginning to panic. One day I was reading a teacher blog, and they were talking about the 7-day success system and how great it was. So I found their site online and read the reviews and looked through the sample materials, and it looked easy to follow. I purchased it. I passed my test. I did very well on my test. It's laid out very well and very well organized and very common sense. You gain confidence as you go through it. I've recommended this product to other friends who are trying to get into the teaching field. I think it is well worth your time and money because you will feel very prepared, and it really does work.